How do students at Young Scholar School achieve such proficiency in English grammar and language that they can comprehend every passage and text, integrating it into their understanding, unlike students from other schools? Students at Young Scholar School do not memorize English. Let me explain why. At Young Scholar School, there is a focus on both direct method and grammar translation method for teaching English. Through the direct method, students concentrate on spoken English. Teachers communicate everyday phrases directly in English and encourage students to do the same. In science classes, we use translation and vocabulary meanings to facilitate learning. Initially, students understand the translation, grasping concepts in their own language, which helps them form ideas. This is why when you discuss science topics with students from Young Scholar School, you will be amazed to find that they can provide translation of entire text and then explain the science topic clearly, inshallah.